Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Wix and Builder.io to see which is better for beginners in 2025. If you're just starting out, you want something easy, fast, and beginner friendly. Wix is one of the most popular website builders because it's drag and drop, comes with hundreds of templates, and doesn't require coding at all. Beginners love it because you can launch a site in hours. Pricing is straightforward and you get hosting, domains, and even e-commerce built in. Builder.io, on the other hand, is newer and more advanced. It gives you more flexibility if you want to connect with frameworks like React or integrate custom code. It's powerful, but for beginners, it can feel overwhelming because it's built for more developers and teams who want deep control. So which one is better for beginners? Wix wins for ease of use, templates, and quick setup. Builder.io is great if you plan to scale with coding, but for the first timers, Wix is the simpler choice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.